show.
Hi kids, let's learn how to make capital D. D for dog. D for dog. With colorful beads. We will start with the star. Pink color. First of all, we will make a straight standing line. D. Pink color. Pink color. D. Now we will make a curve. Yellow color. D. Blue color. Blue color. So we have made a capital D. D for dog. D for dog. Good job. Very good. What comes after D? E. Yes, E. And we will learn how to make E with colorful beads in next video. Bye bye. Keep learning.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.